2 decades now. My own mother, before she even finished college, was already spending her time as a high school teacher when she was still in Tacloban. And also, my grandmother, Doña Josefa Evelyn Marcos, also devoted herself to the classroom, guiding young minds with the same grace, compassion, and I will add, mas stricto rin. Kagaya kayo mga guro, mga maestra, stricto rin yung lola ko. But this is that kind of determination to make our children better, make them well trained. That now is a quality that is imparted to all our teachers and to which we are very, very respectful, grateful, and appreciative. Because from these experiences, one lesson is clear. Teaching is a partnership between teachers and learners, between generations, between those who dream and those who make dreams possible. And it is in this collaboration that the strength of our nation is built. Today, as we celebrate National Teachers' Day 2025, we honor not just what you have given, but also what you have gained. The wisdom that comes from walking hand in hand with the young people of our country who will one day carry the nation forward. To recognize such service, we launched the Department of Education Heroes to honor teachers, parents, and education partners who have transformed the lives of our students. Halimbawa, si Teacher Maribig Villacampa ng Bulihan Integrated National High School ng Cavite. Sa kabila ng kanyang laban kontra sa kanser, araw-araw pa rin siya pumapasok sa eskwela upang gabayan ang kanyang mga mag-aaral tulo sa tamang landas. Gayon din, si Teacher Mary Jane Yodica ng Laguna sa kanyang inilunsad na Louisiana Alternative Livelihood and Advancement Project, nagsasagawa siya ng training sa baking, meat processing, paghahapi ng pandan, paggawa ng kandila, computer literacy, at iba pang maaaring mga kabuhay. Yan po yung ating mga teacher heroes. Where are they? Their stories are just two examples of the heroism that is alive in our schools all over the country.